Hey, what's up? It's Rashad. She-Hulk episode number 2, Superhuman Law. Spoiler review. Gotta talk about a thing to talk about a thing. So this episode can be broken up in essentially 3 parts. First, Jen gets fired. Second, Jen gets a new job. Third, Jen has to take on Emil Blonsky, the Abomination, as a client. Now, since she had all this, publicity and stuff, she ended up losing a case. GLKNH ends up claiming a mistrial because of all the, commotion in the courtroom. She gets fired from the DA's office, goes to this little, pity party, and tries to find a job. Everybody's denying her because they don't want to have her there, being a distraction. As she's looking for this job, there's a small scene where she's on her laptop and she's trying to find like career switching jobs because she's trying to get out of being a lawyer altogether. And there's an ad on the other side that says Iron Man 3s. It's like a pair of sneakers. So I'm wondering, why does Iron Man have sneakers and why is this his third pair? If you look at that same article, there's links. The first one said, man fights through metal claws in a bar brawl. I don't know who that is. It's way too early in the morning. But the second one, why there is a giant statue of a man sticking out of the ocean. So I guess somewhere in the future, we're going to be touching on the Eternals and Tiamat and yeah, that whole thing. The categories at the top are fun, movies, Find Ant-Man, Cars, Norse mythology, Avengers, Insanity in Blue, and World. This random webpage. She ends up going to a bar, and the guy from GLKH, Holloman, is there, and he ends up giving her a job at their law firm. So she goes to the first day. Of course, she accepts. Goes to the first day, and everything is going cool. And he's like, "Look, you're gonna be a part of our superhuman law division. You're gonna have to be She-Hulk at work, and you're gonna be representing superhumans that have been coming out the woodworks." So of course she accepts. Doesn't really want to, but hey, she ain't got no job, so you gotta have a job. And of course she ends up hiring her friend as her paralegal. So her friend's there already. They got this little nice swanky corner office, all glass, and good time. Dude Pug from the comics is in here as well, so he makes an appearance this episode. The real point of this episode is her having to go to the Supermax prison, and she has to represent Emil Blonsky, aka Abomination, as her new client. She talked to Bruce about it. Bruce is cool. Bruce is like, yeah, man, she sent me some haikus or whatever. Bruce has the best cell coverage, that's one. Second, why does he have to go back to Sakaar? Like, what is or who is beckoning him back? Blonsky is basically this, he's coming across as new age. He has like 7 friends. He wants to live in some sort of compound somewhere. And he has this whole like reform thing going on for himself, supposedly. Because we already know in Shang-Chi, him and Wong were doing some illegal fight club out in what's the name of that place? Macon. They were fighting and doing stuff and being to get him in and get him out. So that's like automatic. We're gonna get Wong in this series. So that's gonna be fun to watch when he comes through. And yeah, she goes to this Supermax prison, meets with him, Blonsky, and he gives us his perspective of the Incredible Hulk, which is amazing. He says, look, I thought I was going to be a hero. I got shot up with this super soldier serum. I thought I was going to be Captain America. I end up being this. And I was on loan from your government. Like, they put this inside of me because I thought I was going to have basically this physical advantage. And then I turn into this. He said, even the whole incident in Harlem, he said, yeah, that wasn't my fault. He said, there was a threat, i.e. your cousin, and they told me to go neutralize the threat. So he's a hero now, and I'm just in jail. I don't think that's fair. And to be honest, that was a pretty good argument. So I was like, man, he does have a point when you're looking at it through, a certain point of view. This episode was kind of short. I think it's like 25 minutes long. There's a end credit scene of her at home helping out and stuff. Oh yeah, there's also like a family scene when she has to go home for dinner and everybody's there talking about, her being She-Hulk now, and she's uncomfortable and stuff. And then there's her cousin Ched, who's basically the like the underachiever. He's the manager at Best Buy now. It was funny, but yeah, this is a cool episode. Definitely, like most people who were able to get like episodes from Disney Plus got to see the first four. So essentially, the first four episodes showed the entire arc of what they're wanting us to see. So hopefully 3 and 4 would be a little bit longer and pick up on some more stuff. But yeah, that's really it for this episode. If you saw something that I didn't see, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe. That's one. Secondly, hope you liked the video. And third, make sure you share this with whoever loves Disney Plus stuff and She-Hulk. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Till the next time.